Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Corner. So we're in between times for basket sales and our big holidays, and I'm just taking this time to make my extra embellishments and things so that I can attend festivals. Most festivals require you to have handmade items at your table. So I'm making my recipe carriages, and I'm making matching coasters to go with these sets. So this set here I've done in the bumblebee theme. And this is a very, very nice set. I love the way that this one has turned out. I will be making several more of these sets to put on my table. And I will make some in a more festive look as well to commemorate the holiday seasons. So make sure you go back and watch my tutorial on how to make these. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.